Good morning friends, welcome back in our science online class. Today we are going to solve the exercise of our lesson number 11. And do you know the name of this lesson? Yes, force, machine and energy. So this is the exercise of this lesson. Now first question, fill in the blanks. So here some questions are there and you have to write their correct answers. Magnets are made up of dash and dash. So which two kinds of materials used? One is iron and second one is nickel. Okay? So this is the correct answer of this question. Dash force is applied in simple machine. Which force, students? Yes, very good. Which force? Mechanical force. So you can write here mechanical force, students. Very good. Spelling you right correctly. A scissors is a dash class lever. First class, second class, third class. So answer is first class lever. Next, the rod attached to a wheel is called axle. Yes, very good. Axle. Next, solar cookers use dash energy for cooking food. Which energy, students? Yes, solar energy used by solar cookers to cook our food. When wind turbines work in a group, they are called wind farms. Yes, what we call wind farms. Clear, students? Note down fast. Done? Okay. Now we'll go to the next question, student. Next question is, you have to identify the type of force. Okay, students. What is the question? Identify the type of force. Here diagrams are given, and you have to use these diagrams and find out which type of force is there. Here one person is combing here. Yes or no? So which type of force is there? Electrostatic force. Very good. Electrostatic force. Here one woman is carrying luggage. So which kind of force is used here? Yes, very good. Muscular force. Very good. Here which kind of force is used? Yes, elastic force. You know this rope is of elastic. And last one, this person is, packing something. So here, which kind of force is used? Yes, mechanical force. Okay. Now next question, write true or false and correct the statement. Which statement? Incorrect statement. We can stretch things with muscular force. Is it true, students? No, it is wrong. So statement is false. So how to make it correct? We can stretch the things with elastic force. So instead of this, you can write here elastic force. Okay? Can you make such type of answers at home? You can correct whatever faults are there. A lever consists of three parts. Yes, first lever, fulcrum, load and force. So it is correct. Answer is true. Bicycles have a pulley. Is it true? So this is what? Bicycles have a pulley? No. Bicycles have? Yes, these questions you can make at home. Okay? Can you make it correct at home? Let us see. Okay? What answer you are going to write here? Correct one. Next. Potential energy is the energy created from movement. Potential energy is energy created from movement? No. So kinetic energy is the created from the movement. So this is the false. Next, energy cannot be destroyed. Yes, it is true. Energy cannot create also and cannot destroy also. Now energy neither be created nor be destroyed. Next question, student, here. write true or write one word for the following. First question. Force of earth that pulls the object towards it. So which kind of force is there, student? Yes, gravitational force. Force created by combing here in winters. Just now we have written the answer. Yes, which type of force? Yes, very good. Electrostatic force. The oldest source of energy. Hydroelectric energy. An inclined plane with a spiral edge, that is called a screw. Okay? Ability to do work, that is called the energy. Ability to do work. Okay, students? So note down your answers in your textbook as well as in notebook. Also you can complete these all the answers. I hope you are understanding. Next question here. Complete the crossword. This is a puzzle is given, student. Okay, this is the one kind of puzzle and you have to solve it. Can you solve this puzzle? Now see here how to solve this puzzle. The point where the lever is fixed. So now see first the point where the lever is fixed. So here F is there. So what we can call that? Fulcrum. So Fulcrum, fulcrum you can write. Now go to the F first one over. Now you can go to the sixth one. Other you can select any one. Okay, according to your wish you can select. So now I will go to the sixth. A simple machine where a rope or chain moves to lift the object. So what is called that? That is called the pulley. P-U-L-L-E-Y. Pulley. Okay, students. Now I will go to the third one. What is the third one? A part of simple machine moved by an axle. What is that? That is called the wheel. Now E is already there. So H-E-E-L. This is called a wheel. Okay. Now go to the next second one. A rod attached to the wheel that helps it to move. That is called the axle. A-X-L-E. Yes, students. Now which one is remain? Fourth one. Fourth is what? An inclined plane that holds the things firmly. That is called the screw. Yes? Yes. C-R-E-W. Now last one is remain. Fifth one. Simple machine used to pull or cut an object into pieces. Which simple machine? Wedge. W-E-D-G. Understood, students? So this way you can complete the puzzle. Name the type of simple machine. Next question. Fishing rod. Which kind of simple machine is there? Lever. Bulb. Which kind of simple machine is there? Screw. You know to fix it. Screw. Knife. It is of simple. Which kind of simple machine example? Wedge. Slide. Inclined plane. Axe. Wedge. Okay, students. Now go to the next question. Next question here. Complete the concept of map. Now see, students, this I will give as a homework because already I have explained this thing. Now see here, types of energy. So solar energy, mechanical energy already is here. Mechanical energy is divided into two: kinetic energy and potential energy. Then wind energy, then light energy, hydroelectric energy, sound energy. Whatever possible that you can write. Now here you have to write the solar energy definition. The energy that we get from the sun is called solar energy. So this way you can write the definition. Then kinetic energy means what? Here you write potential energy. So this is your homework. So all these definitions you can use the textbook and complete in these boxes. Okay, students? So this is your homework. Is it clear? Okay. Now, see, students, here we have completed the exercise. Now only one question is remain. Subjective type question, that is the answer to following question. Answer the following questions. All the answers I will give in the form of PDF, and that PDF you can copy as it is in your notebook and prepare for the exam. Okay, students?